The dark side of oxytocin. Long hailed as a love hormone, the cuddle bug, the chemical master of monogamy. Oxytocin makes us helpless saps for love and affection, promoting bonding between moms and babies, bonding between even humans and dogs, bonding between two lovers at the height of their love affair. Individuals treated with oxytocin become more faithful partners, more attentive parents, better friends, and even less heavy eaters. Go figure. Oxytocin makes us more pro-social. It makes us better at assessing the thoughts and the feelings of others, and just less likely to feel fear and anxiety in social settings. But as with most things in biology and neurology, context matters. The same chemical that drives us to generosity in a different context could make us murderers. Oxytocin does decrease aggression in mice and humans, but when mice are treated with oxytocin and they're put in a situation where their offspring are in danger, they become more aggressive than mice put in the exact same predicament but not treated with oxytocin. Have you ever heard those stories of moms like picking up cars or gaining this sort of superhuman strength in the face of their child's danger? This is believed to be the hormone responsible for such phenomena. Another example of oxytocin's double-sidedness involves cooperation. Humans have evolved to be cooperative. It's a hallmark of our evolution and survival as a species. And oxytocin is largely responsible for that. Oxytocin is responsible for how cooperative you are when you play games with your friends and people you know, but it decreases cooperation when you play those exact same games with strangers. Oxytocin increases generosity and kindness between teammates and with people we know, people we consider us, but it has the exact opposite effect on people that we consider them. Research has shown that people treated with oxytocin give significantly less money in donations to social outsiders and are far more likely to favor anti-immigration laws than people not treated with the neuropeptide. Imagine the implications of this in our current social and political climate. Oxytocin exaggerates our biases about people that we're not familiar with. It makes us more aggressive against them and less pro-social towards them. In other words, this supposed love hormone makes us total assholes to people that we deem others or strangers. The same hormone that makes teenage girls scream best friends forever makes them post "you can't sit with us" memes on Instagram. The same hormone that makes us feel loved and attached and connected to others plays a huge role in fueling our ethnocentrism, xenophobia, and racism. The same hormone that glues so many of us together has probably pulled way more of us apart. But why? Why this duplicity? Why couldn't nature just give us a hormone that just made us good to each other? Well, most whys of human behavior have to be considered in the context of evolution. Our ancestors had to be pretty good at distinguishing themselves from other potentially more dangerous species. And they had to be pretty good at fostering the kind of relationships with us's that would have ensured their survival. Thus, the propensity for social categorization, for self-identification, and for exclusion was born. And to slap some neurological glue on this propensity, cue in oxytocin, and a little dopamine, of course. So when you recognize your tendency to ostracize yourself from your outgroups, and we all have this tendency, whether it be by age or skin color or religion or what have you, any of the boxes that we put ourselves in and put other people out of. Understand that millions of years of evolution of this complex, two-faced chemical are at play. Also understand, though, that humans have the capacity to control their evolutionary drives. Thanks to your prefrontal cortex, you can walk up to a stranger and say hi, and maybe even make them one of us. Thanks for watching. If you found anything useful in this video, anything interesting, comment below and let me know what it is. If you think someone else will find it useful, share your snacks with them. See you next snack time.